So, this is my pet. I don't know even know how to pronounce it, but it'll be in the front, in the description and comment. So, I just got that Songlong waterfall filter with adjustable. I changed out the filter padding yesterday, and I've just got him yesterday. It was only £12, so he's not an albino, and he doesn't have a sex yet, so I just put that bamboo in like 10 minutes ago, and I put my other one that I got from the actual shop in there, so it should help gather the poo up from the filter. As you can see, that's working very well, and that is just mud in there. So that's it for you guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.